Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do Cash App taxes on the Cash App uh, app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we are just going through this Cash App uh, sports article, and from here we will understand on how to do the taxes. So basically the first thing would be is just to access your federal and state tax returns. And basically, if you would like to have this file, you will be needing just to go uh, access your to your files or to your informations or taxes info. And basically, to do that, you would be needing to go to the tax menu. And you can do it from your application or web app by going to the Cash App Tax homepage. And basically here in the homepage, you'd find or you will be needing to go to your balance page or the landing page. And from there, you will find taxes. So basically, you will have your estimated that will be calculated or you will be needing to file your taxes. And basically, after that, you will need just to go to the menu in the right corner, and from there, you will be finding the tax returns option. By going to the tax returns option, you will select the PDF that you want. So basically, the taxes forms, and then you can select view on the form you would like to view, and you can save it and have it. And basically, if you want to file now, or you can click on estimate your refund, so you can get your refund, and basically you can after file a tax return or whatever, and simply that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.